Have you ever felt like life has torn you apart? That everything you built, your dreams, relationships, purpose, has collapsed into dust? This is the story of a man who not only gathered those broken pieces, but rebuilt his entire world, stronger than before. By the end of this video, you'll learn how one broken man reclaimed his life, one step at a time, and you'll feel empowered to do the same. Meet Vikram, a loving husband, devoted father, and local bakery owner in a quiet town. His life was simple, yet full. A cozy home, 2 smiling children, and a craft he poured his heart into: fresh, warm bread every morning. Customers came not just for the bread, but for Vikram's warm greeting and genuine smile. His dream? To open a second store and give his kids a better life? Everything was going as planned, until it wasn't. One tragic night, torrential rains flooded the town. Vikram's bakery sank underwater. Hundreds of loaves, ovens, records all gone in moments. His dream tumbled too. Insurance? Nil. Savings? Wiped out. His heart shattered. He lost his business, his home, even his faith. The man who once baked hope now tasted defeat at every turn. Months passed. Vikram handed out resumes, took odd jobs: dishwasher, delivery driver, but nothing stuck. His wife left with the kids, unable to watch him drown. He sat alone in his silent apartment, staring at pictures of his broken life. Those were the coldest nights when you realize even bridges burn. But in that darkness, Vikram found a faint ember. He volunteered at a free community kitchen, just washing dishes, sweeping the floor. No one knew he was the failed baker. No pressure, just purpose. He saw hungry faces, grateful hearts, and realized, I can still help people with food. That small act sparked something inside him. First, Vikram asked for an old oven he repaired himself. He baked bread in his tiny kitchen, selling a few loaves to neighbors. He reinvested every penny. Then, with a small loan from a community fund and help from a friend, he rented a little stall. Every morning it opened. A fresh loaf, a smile, a silent message: I'm back. Months turned into a year. His community bakery grew not just in sales, but trust. He catered local events, schools, shelters, festivals. Each event bought more bread and more hearts warmed. One evening, as Vikram closed shop, he found his daughter waiting. She hugged him. I missed your smell, Papa, your bread. Then his wife and son joined. Their eyes said it all. We're home. That embrace healed him more than any loaf ever could. He rebranded his business, Second Rise Bakery. Beyond a name, it was his story. It became a local success, with multiple bakers, a small cafe corner, and even online orders. But his success measured not just in profit, but in purpose regained. If this story touched your heart, let others feel it too. Like, comment the biggest lesson you're taking away, and hit subscribe to journey with more powerful tales like this.